Welcome to another episode of Aftermarket Horror Stories. Today we're going to be taking a look at an aftermarket final drive off of a CAT 390F excavator. We received this core from one of our customers, and when we looked inside, we discovered exactly why not all aftermarket components were built equally. We received this item complete and mounted on a pallet in alignment with our core return policies. Upon initial inspection, we found that all of the hub retaining bolts inside this final drive had failed. This caused a catastrophic cascading failure, causing secondary damage to both of the hubs. As you can see, the threaded portion of the bolts are still in the hub. This kind of failure can be caused by a number of reasons, including over torque, under torque, inferior quality hardware, or even a poor design. When we take a look at the fracture point of this failed bolt, it indicates that this failure happened in one significant motion. We suspect that these bolts were over-torqued on assembly. Sometimes, if the failure is caught early enough, the part can be repaired and put back into service. However, secondary damages to this item render it unsalvageable. Take note to the input shaft on this final drive. It's pretty safe to assume that it incurred damage to the propel motor as well, adding additional costs far beyond the component itself. We know that you have many options available to you when looking to purchase an aftermarket component, but there's things to consider beyond the price point. Warranty, reliability, and availability are all things that we pride ourselves on at Brikers. We ensure these things by thoroughly inspecting and testing each one of our aftermarket components. See the test, trust the part.